closing day today in Mill Creek. This is one of my favorite homes I've ever sold. Just under 4,000 square feet, totally updated on a nice big corner lot. Just a classic home. A lot of fun to sell with great customers.
Hey, this is Ryan. We're here on the 9th floor, closing on the home that we just bought in Lakewood Ranch. We've used Drew Russell for a realtor. We've actually been in this process for about 3 years now. And Drew has been kind enough to answer my incessant questions. I'm a worrywart and have to cross my T's and dot my I's. He's been awesome about handling everything. We just did our walkthrough. It was fantastic. Hands down, would recommend Drew for your real estate needs. He has been fantastic, and we couldn't have done it without him. Thank you, sir.